Hey guys, how's it going? It is Mr. Crayfish and welcome back to some live streams. I haven't live streamed since last Friday. That is because I told you guys, I wasn't gonna live stream one day of these on the weekend. However, I was supposed to live stream yesterday. This time, but I got home and I was like too tired. I even had like a nap yesterday. Because I was literally that dead. So that's why there wasn't really... I was supposed to, but, I was super duper tired and, I didn't want to go on live... I didn't want to force myself to go on live stream, pretty much. But welcome everybody. We need to get some music rolling here because it is super duper quiet. Let's go play. I have to sort out my internet bill too. Like, how's this, right? Okay, so my internet bill. I was accidentally late. Alright? I was accidentally late. I paid it, right? They didn't overcharge me. Like they just say I'm late, basically, and I paid it, alright? And then I get the next bill for next month. I get the bill for next month, and apparently it's got more than it should have on it. Not because it's late, but I think before it didn't know that I paid it, and then I added it onto it. So I gotta go sort that out because I'm not paying whatever it said. It shouldn't be that much anyway. This is because I paid a lot for I paid a lot initially because I had to pay for setup fee and whatnot, but then after that it should be like normal payments. I'm not really sure what's going on. But welcome everybody. Today we are working on Git websites. We're working on Git websites. We are checking out what is new. I'm currently actually in the vehicle mod. You guys can't see this, but I will go into it in a second here. But we're going to be working on some websites, working on the actual official websites, because right now GitWeb is up to a point where we can actually start creating everything. We don't have to keep working on module. No more module city. I mean, there's still more modules I want to add in, but we'll eventually do it. Did you see what I posted on Premium General? Yes, I did. It was the warehouse, wasn't it? Oh no, it was the building. Yeah, I've seen it already. I actually went on the server. You imported it. You didn't build it. Yeah, imported it. Alright, let's go over to the main view. Make sure the sponsor thing doesn't come up. Are you guys a sponsor? Become a sponsor right now. You get access to exclusive rewards. Custom emoji. Ocelot, what the heck? Where's your sponsor, dude? Well, I built it on a Minecraft realm, then imported it into the server. Okay. I threw my phone away. It autocorrected to coffee. It would do. How's this? I don't even have milk in my coffee. I'm out of... Oh, I've got milk, but it's out of date. I got milk, but it's out of date. So I'm drinking black coffee and it's gonna taste like crap. It's gonna taste like crap. Alrighty, so this is the vehicle mod. I want to show you guys something cool with this. I know this is not GitWeb, but I want to show you guys something cool. Because I did some stuff. Coffee for life. Yeet. Make more of the vehicle mod renders that showcase all the colors. I have already. I just haven't uploaded them. I'll show you. Yeah, boy. Every single render. See, that's the one you got. I just haven't uploaded half of these. Oh, the vehicles. Pretty cool stuff. Pretty cool stuff. Took me a little bit to do that, but eventually got it all done. Ocelot has become a sponsor. Welcome him back. Oh my god. Yo, welcome back, dude. Welcome. We haven't had a sponsor in a while. Can we get some hype for Ocelot? Get some hype for him in the chat. Excited. I'm excited. Alrighty. Pretty sure it's the first time I sponsor on stream. I can afford it. Mr. Gravish, do you kill or spare your scrubs? I eat scrubs. I eat scrubs for breakfast. I don't kill them. I eat them. Is your refrigerator running? Yeah. I'm just saying my milk's out of date. Milk is out of date. Alrighty, so I've improved some things to do with motorcycles. Let's go ahead, let's grab this. Let's go into this view, alright? Watch this. This is legit some cool stuff right here. Look at this. We got leaning now. Yeet! Can we get some hype? It looks actually really sick now. Like, the physics of the motorcycles actually look like legit. Like, the best physics you could ever imagine is right here, guys. My vehicle mod doing it the best. Because we take time. We take time on this stuff. We focus on the little details. That's why it's going to be the best vehicle mod out there for Minecraft. It's not about the quantity, guys. It's not about the quantity of vehicles. It's about the quality. And our motorcycles and whatnot. Quality vehicles right here. Drift. Boy. Create a website in GitWeb searching for Sir Piggles. Put out like a wanted poster. Wanted. Missing. Sir Piggles. Last seen. Bank. I can't see you in Minecraft. Rip. What's that? Can we get some praise from me? I heard a loud sound. I heard a loud sound. Sound like a bang. Oh my god. I am sad that you never answered and read my messages. I did read it. Hey, I'm going to be drawing while watching, so this might not be super active. That's alright, Green Bean Games, as long as you're in here and you're keeping up that view account. Cray's getting robbed. Ain't getting robbed, I just heard a loud sound. Sound like a window. But what do you guys think of this 10 out of 10 physics? Can we get a rating in the chat right now? Let's get a rating. And if you guys are excited for this live stream today, make sure you remember to go ahead and snap that like button as well. Subscribe, and also go over to my Twitter and retweet the tweet if you want to get a shout out at the end of this live stream today. I know a ton of you guys always ask for shout outs, so go to my Twitter and retweet. Am I drunk? No. Why'd you ask that? I'm trying to drink a coffee here. What the heck? The heck is that? There's something in my coffee. Hold up. Ah! Is that an ant in my coffee? I hate ants. I hate ants. Mr. Crayfish is becoming a sponsor free. What? Is that me or does the bike look like a robotic? Look a little too robotic if you know. What do you mean? It's a normal mini bike. It's a normal mini bike, my dude. The only thing I don't like is I guess it's fine. I mean the rotation's alright in first person. But like the movement is like super duper smooth. That's what I'm like super happy about. There is so many different rotations in this model right here. It's crazy to think how many rotations there are, because there's like rotations for the handlebars, there's rotations for the direction, and then there's a lean rotation, there's rotation on the wheels. It's crazy, and it's all super smooth as well. This is what I'm happy about. Like, look how good this looks. Like, it actually looks like a AAA game right here. Looks like a AAA game. But obviously better in third person. Is the sponsorship free or do you have to pay? Oh yeah, becoming a sponsor is paid. It's $5 a month. $5 a month, and you get access to exclusive emojis. You get access to the sponsor-only Minecraft server, which we play on with the vehicle mod, and all my other mods as well, because it uses the Cray pack. And then also get access to private channels on Discord where you can actually chat with me. Sometimes we actually go into voice chat, and you can actually talk to me directly over voice, which is probably the coolest thing. A lot of people don't know that. So if you guys ever wanted to talk to me, you can do so by becoming a sponsor or a Patreon, whatever you like. They have their different kind of perks. If you like watching the live streams a lot, becoming a sponsor might be a good thing. However, the only downside is like sponsoring. Half the money goes to YouTube, so it's not like super duper direct. I'll say that right now. Pay me money to talk to me. I mean, I don't get all the time in the world. I can't talk to people for free. $100 an hour. I don't charge that much. $5 for a month. When will I do another PUBG pack? Soon. You can rotate and move the camera side to side when turning. Camera movement's not really possible. Camera movement's not possible. There's absolutely like no hooks. There's no hooks for the camera. And I'm caught. Alright, here we go. I can put this back on now. I didn't hear anything. I think we're all good. Nobody's in my house. I need to do some major house chores after this live stream. Major house chores. You should get on the server after the stream and make vehicle spawns. Maybe. I need to do some serious house chores. I need some serious house chores. I might go on voice chat though. I might go on voice chat while I do them. So if you guys want to talk to me while I do house chores, that can be done. Try and make your character hold the handlebar. That would be cool. It is! Just not in first person, but it is! Alright, let's switch over to device mod. You should do something with the furniture mod. It's awesome, but it's kind of being ignored to me, and that's sad. It's because I've already added pretty much everything. Like, I mean, I haven't added in everything, obviously, but I don't know. It's not something like I like my furniture mod, but it's not something I'm like crazy about updating. Like, I don't want to update it just because I want to update it. I want to update it because I, you know, enjoy creating it. Now, it's not to say I don't enjoy updating the furniture mod. It's just I have other things I'm interested in at the moment, and I don't want to put too many projects on my plate, because if I do that, everything suffers. So like, if I start working on the furniture mod, it means device mod's going to be slower, GitWeb's going to be slower, everything's going to be slower. So that's why we don't really do a lot of stuff. Stop. Get some help. Stop it. Get some help. Rethink your life. Who wants to be a sponsor, but you can't make sure you snap that like button, okay? What? Doesn't even make sense. Cough, Cray, cough. Stop it. Get some help. When are you doing more? When you're doing more device mod? Maybe live stream 99.9 might come soon. I want to do some more because I want to work on the App Store. The heck? Get out of here, spiders. No one wants you. So yeah, okay. We're gonna checking out some exclusives right here, my dude. Exclusives right here, my dude. It's gonna load up. There we go. All right. Let's go to. Did I save it? That's not the right one. No, that's not the right one. Hold on, give me 2 secs. I think it's on my desktop. Where did I save the website? I think it's in Notepad. I think I saved it somewhere, but it's here anyway. Alright, here we go. So, this is... Oh no, hold up. We can just go to it. Hold up. Here we go. Ready? Load this up. Kaboom! Oh no, it's broken. Yeah, that's right. It's broken on the actual browser. Hold up. Let's go to this view so you guys can see it a little bit better. It's actually broken right now on there, but if we actually go to here, new site, we do that. If we go to live now, there we go. So this is what it's supposed to look like. But here we go. This is going to be, well, this is the start of the new website, the new welcome.official, because we're basically redoing the websites and starting again from fresh, just because of the whole new module system. Stop it! Get some help. Who do you prefer, Sir Piggles or Scrub? Sir Piggles, of course. So it says welcome to GitWeb. There's going to be like home. There's going to be an official index, so you'll be able to find all the websites. This will take you to like a page which will tell you how to submit website. Another page to report. Just in case, let's say we do accidentally let in a website that has something bad in it, you'll be able to click report, and then you'll be able to find information about how to report a website. But we scroll down here, it says GitWeb is a working web browser powered by GitHub. It is community driven, which means websites you browse are created by other players. If you'd like to add your own site to GitWeb, visit submit.official to get, oopsie, should we get started? Lel. And then we have stuff about, you know, getting started just like a normal web browser. You can enter the address of the website above. Now don't get too ahead of yourself. You can't enter a real website. Instead, you have to enter an address of a Git website. you can find a list of all the websites available at index.official. I think that actually works. Yeah, not found, but credits. So it says here, GitWeb was originally created by Minecraft Doodler. It is now updated and managed by Mr. Crayfish. You should allow it to connect to the internet, or is that what you have to do? You have to. This came from the internet, by the way. That's, if you look here, powered by GitHub. It's powered by GitHub. Because if we go over here and I bring over this, so this is where I was actually just downloading a file from. This one here. So that right there, this is this page. It is this page right here. So pretty cool. What do you guys think? Rate out of 10. Let's have a look. I know something that my crush's boyfriend did that could break them up. Oh my god, Green Bean Games, what are you doing? 10 out of 10, 9 out of 10, icon is ugly. That's GitWeb. No, that's GitHub. That's a GitHub icon. That's GitHub icon. Go wrong and you make it right. Add something that's like Google, but it's not. You should make servers to make their own local website if that's possible. Yeah, I'm going to be doing something like that in the future. I think for the first release of GitWeb, it's not going to be, but in the future, we're actually going to have like websites that you can create on a server. And yeah. I was gonna try and figure out how we can do it. That's the one thing. When will this be available for download? Soon, I guess. Soon. But we're gonna continue with creating some websites because we need to we could, I don't know, we have to create some sort of program that will actually create an index of all the websites. And like, I want it to automatically generate a website and then we can actually put it back onto the actual GitHub repo. Submit websites, report. I'm just thinking if there's anything else we need on this front page. You could add a local thing that looks for files. That looks for files in a directory on the server. We're gonna like, my idea was to do something like, you know, a .server. A .server extension means it's on the server. So if you did like Minecraft.server, it would restrict it just to the server. I thought that was a good extension for it. Nah, no CSS. You don't understand the difficulty of web browser rendering. That's why I opted for a module system, because it allows you to create pretty much nice looking websites straight off the bat. But there is options, you know, to actually change the color of stuff. I'm not sure if we've added. Oh no, you didn't really add the. You basically can use formatting codes to change the colors of everything. You can put, like, see here, I've got formatting codes here for GitWeb. Just then, one thing you need to do with GitWeb is we need to convert the color values to the actual correct ones. Could you just implement Bootstrap for a joke? Create like a Bootstrap for Minecraft, port it over. It wouldn't work. It's way too difficult. Can you put my head on the secret place in PUBG? I don't know if we're doing that. I don't know if we're doing that. So one thing that we need to do is generate layout response website data, parse data. The thing is, what we need to do is replace... We need to replace the AND symbol. So the problem that we're having is that you could have like AND 6 and then hello, and that's a color code. That's a color code there, right? All we need to do is replace that with a section symbol. However, it's not as easy as just saying replace this AND, because the thing is, like, URLs, like legit URLs, will have a section symbol in it. No, sorry, we'll have an ampersand symbol, and we can't just replace. It might, detect that. So what we need to do is like do like a regular expression. I don't know, like regular expression would be like and. A to F, 0 to... How high does it go up to? It goes up to F. No, F. How high does it go up to in the number? 0 to 9, sorry. 0 to 9. A to F. The thing is, like, that can be used in a URL as well. That's the thing. Like, what if we had, like, think of a URL, right? Hello. Be like hello.com. Index, I don't know, could have like v equals c and v equals c and I equals, could have like, we'll do something that would break it, and f equals 2. See, this is the problem. Like here, this is like a valid URL. However, like this bit here is going to be detected. So could you send me one or two of the vehicle renders? I'm making a banner for the warehouse. I'll send them soon. I just gotta sort them out and make sure I don't upload any unwatermarked versions. I just don't want to upload any unwatermarked versions because it'll be fun. Nobody's pointed it out, which is good, and I'm happy nobody's ever hasn't done that yet. But basically, I watermark everything with my website because it doesn't stop them completely. Like, they still take it and just put it up on their website. But like for people for those websites that re-upload mods and that type of stuff, they're always searching for graphics. And like, I swear since now that I've like been putting watermarks, what they have to do is literally go through my videos and take screenshots from my videos instead of having some nice graphics, which is good in a way, because now they've just got shitty graphics. But I am actually trying to combat, a lot of that stuff. So one way that mod developers can do it is by when you actually create your mod, you can actually provide an update link. You can provide an update link in your actual mod.info. Oh, sorry, yeah, your mod.info file, which can be to an actual official source. You can put your website in there. You can also do things such as actually, you could have like, I don't know, maybe not, that's probably not the best way to do it, but there's ways you can combat it. Why do I keep hearing stuff? Probably going insane. Probably going insane, to be honest. Oh, hey dude, how you doing? I'm so like paranoid. I'm so paranoid, my dudes. I didn't swear. Can you get YouTube running on device mod? No. Yeah. You guys don't understand the difficulty of rendering. That uses, I don't know what it uses now, but it uses something. It uses JavaScript. You're crazy, that's what happens when you're alone and undesirable. Are you talking truth? Are you talking truth? Probably true, by the way. You should get video surveillance in your house. I should, hey. Yeah, Mr. Cray, if you're live, I stayed up just for you. It's 2:43 in the morning. Yeah, what up, Team Sabatron? How you doing, dude? Call it Cray Valence. I didn't see a problem with sending me privately. I'm making a ban in the warehouse for server because you're gonna upload the picture. I'll put a .com watermark myself. Because they're official graphics jacks and I don't want to just release them. Yeah, they're like my official assets. I work professionally. So, yeah, this regular expression not gonna work. So, what we have to do is where I want to be for the first time. What you making? Is that what it says? What you making? GitWeb. I don't know what you're doing. Was it what you make? Is that what it says? What you making? Y'all and your acronyms. So many unnecessary acronyms these days. Like that one. Cray, check PM on Discord. Will it work? There's better ways to do it. I know you're doing that, but there's better ways to do it. Parse formatting. It was so we can Because what we're going to do is be selective about how we parse the formatting. Like, we're not going to do any links. Well, we're not trying to do links, but... Loop 3 formatting codes and replace them. I don't even have to do that. But I do need that nice section symbol. Is it possible to just replace with characters? No, it's not. Holy shit! My god.
Will I get access to new repo? Also, this is the most I can donate right now. You can sponsor. I'm saving up for Mum's Day.
I'll get you access to the repo soon. I just want to have a conversation before I do add you. But cheers for the dollar donation. I know you're saving up, and it's alright that you're not a sponsor as well. It's all good, dude. I like that you're saving up for your mum. He's a good boy, guys. He's a good boy. Do a website where you can snap likes. It almost doesn't need a method. It almost doesn't need a method just because how basic it is. Like, that's all we need to do is just replace every one of these with the section symbol. Oh no, because we didn't want to do that actually. No, we didn't want to do that. We wanted to be selective. How is it supposed to work for normal links? I wasn't supposed to do that actually. Let's like put this back down here. Public. I'm supposed to be selective about how I, what would I parse? So like, for instance, like instead of doing everything, we just say for like stuff like paragraph module. Here, right? Parse formatting data.get text. Oopsie, yes. Do something like that instead. So we, yeah. Because like image there will actually be a URL. I wonder how much, yeah, I don't know. Does it actually like copy that out and we copy it? I don't know. For loops. My parents are spiritualists. They can also see ghosts. I see them so clearly. It's not fun when you have an evil ghost. Mr. Crayfish, did someone die in your family when you were little? No. Ah, it's Grandma! I don't know. It's the wind. I think it's windy outside. Let's have a look. Is it windy outside? False alarm, it's just the wind. It's just a wind. Can you give me 1 cheese and crackers from the cheese and crackers supply? Ah, nah. I ain't giving out free cheese and crackers. Sorry about that, Soz. Soz, lol. So we just be selective about what we parse here. So the text. Navigation module. Yeah. Create navigation buttons. Acceptable grids. Alright, there we go. We're just gonna make sure we do everything now. String. You should turn the Discord into Blurpool for Discord's 3rd birthday. What do you mean by that? I don't know what that is. Don't think I'm not crazy. I'm not. I do actually see dead people. There's someone in the room with him, looking over him. The ghost is pretty chill though, which is a good thing. The heck? How do you have that vision? How do you have the vision? He has the vision. I'm not really a big believer of like spiritual stuff. So Cabish, could you make the model creator for Android devices? I don't know, maybe. I don't know, I just don't want to work on too many projects. You get me? Alright, there we go. That's good. Footer module. So many things we have to parse. Ah, nice. I wonder how much this will work here. Because saying like draw a clip string gray. We'll see. Do it anyway, but it's a stream, so it's coming up what the camera's capturing, so no, you can't see goes through the monitor. Are you starting any new series of teaching how to make a mod? I've discussed it and I want to, but we'll see how it goes. I would want to have like a goal mod in mind. We'll see, dude. It's like, cause like I could like the thing is like I could create really detailed tutorials, but like the thing is detailed tutorials take a very long time to create. So I just got a job at an industrial computer supplier. That sounds sick. So like, what type of stuff? What type of products are we talking? I retweeted? Yes, thank you, little Colby. If you guys want to get a shout out as well, like little Colby, make sure you go over to my Twitter. Link in the description below. And retweet the tweet for a shout out at the end of this live stream today. I can also communicate with them. I can kind of sense Austin Kelly, you're feeling cold or warm. Depends on the mood too. Maybe someone is with you. How cold is it in the room? I'm not trying to I'm sorry, I'm not like a massive believer of ghosts. Like, I don't know, like I feel like it's cool to think like, okay, let's say the light flashes or something. It's like some way a good way to think, oh, it's probably my mother that died 2 years ago looking over me. Like, I can understand why people want to think like that, and that's completely fine with me. You can believe whatever you want. But like, I'm more of like, maybe it was just a fluctuation in the power, pretty much. Because like, to me, like, it's almost like, I'm not trying to, like, believe whatever you want, but it's like this is kind of how I think about it. It's like, I'm gonna guess right now, guys. I'm gonna guess right now you guys are breathing, alright? I'm gonna guess you guys are breathing right now. Shocking, I know. I just sense that you guys are breathing right now. But yeah, that's just me. Believe whatever you want, but I'm gonna guess you guys blinked in the last 10 seconds. But that's what I'm saying, like, people just... But my point that I'm trying to get across is that it's kind of like... it's people that, like, predict the future. Like, have you lost someone in your life? Have you lost anybody in your life before? I think, yes, everybody says 100% yes. I didn't blink. Everybody just stops breathing now that I said that. You guys are just all robots. I'm gonna predict you guys' future, alright? I'm gonna predict you guys' future. You're gonna get older. My god. If that's not true. If that's true, guys. If that's true that, you do become older, you gotta send me $10 right now. Send me $10 right now. I don't breathe. Nope, I'm immortal. How he be so good? Send me $10. Take my money. I am on your doorstep. Oh my god. Hello, what is this madness? I'm gonna predict what you guys are gonna say next, alright? And what you're gonna say next is, I wasn't gonna say that. Some of you guys got the joke. I wasn't gonna say that. Ha! Got him! Got him. Alright, footer module is Gucci. Download module. Yeah, I think footer download module I want to keep like strict. Brewing module, banner module. letter to Sir Pickles, to Mr. Crayfish from Sir Pickles. Mr. Crayfish, I'm in a field trip where I get 1 million gold in seconds, so I'll come back when you give me cheese and crackers through the letter service. That is not a real letter. I think you just made that up. Sir Pickles is legit missing, alright? He's legit missing. I predict Cray's going to stream for more than an hour. How did you know that? How? How? I don't know how you guys knew that. I predict someone's gonna chat. I predict that everybody's gonna be... I predict that this is gonna be the best stream ever. Everyone's gonna get along together. Everyone's gonna snap that like button. Everyone's gonna go retweet over on Twitter. You're an awesome YouTuber. Keep up the good work. Thanks, Zachary White. I see you there. I see ya. Wow, the best stream ever. Yeah. Alright, there we go. So that's everything. That's everything sorted out for. I had a problem where the color here wasn't working. I don't know about you guys, but this color wasn't working. This thing was glitched AF. We might be able to rebuild. No, we won't be able to add it in the method. I don't think you heard me. Alright, let's restart it. I predict that someone else is going to comment on this stream. No! Please don't tell me that's true. Please don't. Oh, it's true! Ah! How did... You guys are smart. You guys are smart, I'll tell you right now. I predict that everyone's going to say yeet. Yeet! Nearest yeet challenge, guys. Nearest yeet challenge. Yeet something right now, guys. Yeet! 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 I yeeted MC. I just yeeted my bands. I just yeeted my bands across the room, dude. Yeet. Unlike you have a cat next to me. Yeet the cat! Can everybody say yeet the cat? That I yeeted out the window. Who needs a cat? Who needs that cat anyway? I didn't need that cat anyway. That cat was too... That cat was a scrub. What a scrub cat. Alright, so we should be able to get a welcome and official. There we go. That's correct, yep. So there we go, guys. It's working now. It is working now. Do that. We can scroll to the top. Animal abuse. I hate animal abuse. That didn't even make sense. But if I removed it, I wouldn't be myself. I'm sorry, everyone can't help having a gift to see dead people. If I could remove it, I would. I don't want to take like the I don't want to make fun of it, but like it's because I don't believe in it that like I just see it as funny. But like I'm not trying to make fun of you. Like 100%, you can believe whatever you want, and I understand why people believe and feel that way. I'm not laughing at you, dude. I'm literally just saying you can believe whatever you want. I'm sure there's people that have religious backgrounds in this live stream. Like, and I'm not personally. I'm not like 100. I'm not religious, but I'm not like 100% atheist or something like that. I'm like that. I'm in that middle area because we still do Christmas, still do Easter, still do all that type of stuff. So I'm in that kind of middle area. Cray, what do you think a scrub is? A scrub is basically a noob. A scrub is a noob. Comes from Call of Duty. It is a term like derived from Call of Duty. It's a pretty old quote as well. It's like from 2011. It's pretty like exclusive. A scrub is a noob. What a scrub. This top definition from Urban Dictionary. Him. Oh my god, I just got a Harrier. Them. Shut up, scrub. That takes no skill. Him. Mummy, they called me a scrub. I thought a scrub was a Mr. Crayfish. Hey! Hey now. I hate scrubs. I ate scrubs for breakfast, alright? I ate scrubs for breakfast. Alright, so we fixed up the formatting. That's so Gucci. Oh my god. Where is that? It's here. Hey, I got a joke. Why did the toilet paper cross the road? I don't know. I love your channel either way. I don't care about my gift. I only care about what I can see and what I can do. Love you, Cray. Hope for the best, buddy. Thank you, Team Sabatron. I think all the crayfish in the world are stink. Hey! Hey now. But crayfish is not stink. He is stinky. You guys are not mean. You guys are not nice. Y'all scrubs. Y'all are scrubs. Anything for legends like you. I'm a shark and a Peter. Don't come near me. I will eat you. Alright. I just yeeted my phone down the stairs. Jeez, dude. You're legit crazy. Legit crazy. Alright, so what I want to do is I made like an image, but I want to like create a different version of it. Copy image. So we got this like image here, but what I want to do is like just change around the hue to like something else. You know what's epic about Imager is like you can like literally just highlight copy, right? And you get an image and paste and it will automatically turn it into a photo. Like with that copied data. You don't even have to like save it as a file and upload it. You can literally just do that. And then I can do things like go back to here, paste, go to live, boom, there it is. So this is actually going to be like official. Scurb, what? You're not offending anybody, dude. You're not offending anyone. We're not snowflakes here. We ain't snowflakes here, alright? You talk about whatever you want. I'm not snowflakes, but I don't talk about controversial subjects. Like, I'm not going to talk about, you know, crazy stuff on this live stream because that's not what I'm about. But if someone does talk about it, I don't get, you know, angry about it. Offended! Ah! He called me crayfish, not cray. He said crayfish, not. He said crazy fish, not crayfish. I'm offended. He spelt my name wrong. I'm offended. Do not breathe on me. I'm offended. If you snap a scrub, he becomes a nub. But if he becomes a nub, does he become scrub? Oh my god, the rhymes. The rhymes, my dude. How do they do it? How do they do it, my dudes? Welcome to the official index. Welcome to the official website. Welcome to the official website. Here you will find a list. Here you find a list of you'll find a list of all the websites currently hosted, currently available on GitWeb. This list is manually generated. This list is manually generated, so new websites may not show up straight away. Let's make that like a Welcome to the official index. Hope everybody's ready for a crazy show tonight. Let's do like... wrong way around. Welcome to the official index. We need to sort out this picture issue because this thing doesn't work well. I need to add in like a height property because like I dislike that it, yeah, does this. That was my fault. This is like writing HTML just in Minecraft, kind of. Are you going to do a crazy matrix stuff and get sites from GitWeb? What? We've already done that. Usla, I'm like 10 years ahead of you. I'm not creating like, it's gonna be it's gonna be manually generated. So like, it's generated by a program, but it's manually updated the list. Cause like we can't, the thing is we can't really scan GitHub that easily. That's the entire point, mate. That is what GitWeb is. Adding our own pages. Yeah, that's been the point since the whole time. You can submit your own websites. We need to add in definitely a height property, because this ain't going well. Crayfish, did you ever dream about Scrubs? What are you going to be like? I predicted that you dreamed about Scrubs, that's why you're hearing sounds in the background. Now give me $100. Scrub. Started streaming 1 hour ago. Shocking. Shocking. What image should we have here? What image should we put here, guys? Instead of this. Obviously, don't need this image here. The official index. What can we put there instead? Your logo. It's supposed to be something to do with the official index. Something to do with the official index. A polar bear. My logo. My logo. Alright, let's have a look at this. Rate it out of 10. Oh, there we go. Might not even load. We'll see. Oh no! It was a fake transparent background. Oh, it was a JPEG. Wow. Didn't even realize. What a scrub move. Such a scrub move. I should have known. I should have known. Ah, beautiful. Not really. You've been trolled. Fake transparent. Oh yeah, we should have like an Earth icon. Pixel Earth. Oh, these are cool. Buy his chair for $3.99. You should host all the images on GitHub. I know I can, because that'd be a good idea to keep it. So we actually have, yeah. But then you gotta, the thing is, you put it on GitHub, right? You gotta put all the images on GitHub, then you gotta update all the links. No XXX images? Of course not. You're a scrub? Hey! Jonathan, I see you there. Make illegal websites, like if you stay on one for too long it kills you. Doesn't even make sense. What did you say? Just galactic craft. What do you mean by that? Please do a dab cray. I don't know what that is. GitWeb incognito. Yeah, and I don't want to see everybody seeing my browsing history on GitWeb. Shocking. I know. Can't find a good image. Like, what should we put here? I don't know what to put here. Or we just get rid of it. Get rid of it for now. Get rid of the image for now. Get out of here. Skedaddle image. Skedaddle. No one wants you. No one wants you anyway. Websites. I don't know, I could say listings. Available websites. Do you have Alexa? No. Cray, if you love cheese and crackers, then install Galacticraft. Alexa is bad. Is it possible to add custom chars like font awesome? No. Unfortunately not. It's not that advanced. Alright, let's get rid of a bunch of this stuff. Alright, so basically from here on it's all generated automatically. So it's all generated automatically. No! My god, Steve. I want to add in a property where you can manually offset. You can offset the position of the modules. So like, if you wanted to, you could actually have like this here, actually like up here. But it'd be like very, I don't know, nudge property. Kind of something like that. Like you'd be able to nudge it -10, so it'd actually be like closer to this text here. I thought it would just be a slight extra feature that would be kind of useful. Instead of official, you could set it to Cray, but it doesn't make sense if it's Cray. I don't want to personalize it. I want to make it so everybody knows everything. Design. Yeah, we'll have design. This is like not finished. This is gonna be like an actual visual editor, because like this is like purely code. Then you will be able to have a design, actual designing them. Instead of having to like, you know, do like this stuff, you'd be able to do design view. Make a website where you can install games. Yeah. Well, if any websites, because like apparently there's people creating like JavaScript editors and like stuff that you can actually run like OpenGL code with. So like it would be possible for someone to actually have a website that hosts these just JavaScript, and then you can actually run that. Alright, so that's kind of the official index. Not really a lot to it. So I'm going to go ahead and export that. And then let's go ahead, get websites. So this is actually all the official ones we've got so far. So there's going to be craft, there's going to be official, there's going to be web, and there's going to be wiki. So web will kind of be like the general one that everybody can use. Craft again can be a general one that everyone can use. Wiki will be like purely wikis only. And then official is like official ones. Nobody can actually go in there. Only myself and Minecraft Doodler can. Yeah. All the other websites are gone, yes. Because they're old and they're developed when GitWeb wasn't even really developed. It was developed. I mean, I've got copies of it. Don't worry. I've got a backup of it, but like, it's completely gone now. I'm not re-uploading them. Because like the thing is, we developed I didn't develop half of them anyway. I didn't develop any, but like they were developed when GitWeb wasn't even developed. Basically. I can probably put them up for download. I made a banner for the warehouse. Are you able to get into voice chat after the stream like you said earlier? I will be in voice chat, but I'm not going to be at my computer. Put the orange juice emote in Battle Royale mod. Orange Justice emote. I don't know what that is. I'll have to check it out. So in here we can have, this would be index. And then we actually have a file called index. Paste that into there. Ka-ching. Crayfish say frango. That means chicken. What? When we end the stream? When did I start? 10:40, so in 36 minutes from now will be the end of the live stream. Alright, so we created that one. We need to create one for submitting websites and reporting. It's an emote in Fortnite, aka Roy Purdy's dance. I don't know who that is. Let's have a look. Orange Justice. Oh, that one. Oh yeah, no, I know who Roy is now. I was confused. It's impossible to do it. Like, it's possible to do it, but it's gonna look bad. You need bones. Minecraft doesn't have bones. Like, you need knees, you need elbows for the dance to really work. Otherwise, it's gonna be like this. It's gonna be like that. Alright? That's what it's gonna look like in Minecraft. So, I don't think it's gonna be possible to do it. Flappy Bird. Pretty much. Like, my leg, you just can't do it. Cause like there's movements such as this. It's like, how do you do this in Minecraft? You can't. Can't have, I don't know. Then put the reanimated button. I'm not running. It's all identity. Says the hacker who made the hackiest API ever. It ain't hacky. Y'all thinking it's hacky, it ain't hacky. Ain't nothing hacky. No. I mean, there's reflection in it, but the thing is, there's only so much you can do in the Minecraft API before. Until it gets hacky. Reflection is Java hacks. But the thing is, if only I do it, then it works fine as a library. The thing is, when multiple people do it, that's when it becomes a confliction. Like, there's no... I mean, there is a way to... I should have... Yeah, we'll see. Can't you use a reflection patcher? What do you mean reflection patcher? Access transformer. Oh, you're talking about ASM. Access transformer. I am using ASM in some certain things. The problem is having hooks. The problem is adding in hooks. I mean, I could add in hooks as well, but... Like, I only go to ASM when I really can't do anything at all. Like, if I can do it with reflection, I can do it with reflection. I did add events. That's what the whole API is about. It adds in purely events. But if I can... I don't want to add in... Like, I can do ASM, but if I can do it in reflection, I'd rather just do it in reflection first, and then ASM afterwards. Because, like, I don't run the code every second. The reflection is only run once, so we're not really taking a performance hit. It's run once. Patches some things, and that's basically what it does. If it works, it's not stupid. If it works, it's not stupid. Report. We know what color we need to do this. We know what color we need to do this. Report. Red for evil. Red for evil. Evil. Report. Report website. Report website. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my god! Cray, I started my first ever mod today. I added in a flippin' block. I'm so happy for myself. Awesome, dude. What block did you add in? What type of block? If red evil, Cray evil. If red evil, Cray evil. I am evil. You guys, you haven't realized. Brick, I think. Report website. Sometimes. Because like, a thing that somebody can literally do, right? This is something that somebody could do. Host an image on their own website, which could be like a perfectly fine image, right? Perfectly fine image. They submit it, we check it, image looks good, website looks good, we're all good to go, it's fine. Then they go ahead and they change that image, same name, everything, and then now it's actually a completely different image. But when we actually accepted it, it was, you know, a safe image, but now it could be like a bad image or something like that. So basically we need to create a way to report it, and then if it is, then we basically delete it off the face of GitWeb. We silence everybody! A bad image. I'm not gonna... yeah, I mean, you guys know what I'm talking about when I say a bad image, alright? We get the whole point. Sometimes. Yeah. Have you found... Have you discovered a website that... You could also use images to log people's IP addresses. That's true. Lol, we can't even get rid of tracking. Do a 24-hour live stream of GitWeb? No. How just got those broken? Add YouTube? No. Add Facebook or something like that? No. Images like Sir Piggles framed for murder, even though it was altered to look like him. Have you discovered whether that is broken? Offensive. Should we say offensive? I don't know. It's broken. Like, there's a legitimate form of being... Like, there is like a legitimate, like, being offended. Not like snowflakey offended, but... obscene. Right. We'll say obscene material instead. Material. Contains obscene material, or what else should we have? Website is broken, contains obscene material, or what's that Discord rules? Not rules. Illegal activities. Laggy material. Laggy material. Or typo. That's breaking. Obscene material, or Nauseous material. Cray, is it easy to make a website on GitWeb? Yes. It's easy enough that you can actually just write it in a text editor. What else should we have? Is a website that is broken contains obscene material, or hates on cheese. They're hating on cheese content, alright? Or that is broken contains obscene material, or I don't know. Or promoting illegal activities. Yeah, the hate speech goes under obscene material. Kind of. Black material. Copyright content. I don't know if like copyright content. Oh yeah. Like the thing is, we're not like we will be like, a lot of this stuff will be, you know, cut out before it even goes onto GitWeb. I mean, we could miss copyright content. Please report the website. Please report the website. Please report the offending website at here, please. So the murder is please report the website. Please report the website offending. Please report the offending website. And I'm gonna we'll deal with it accordingly. I'm gonna make it so you can click on links like this, but make it come up with like the warning still. Please make videos on your main channel. I am. Yeah, I'm sorry there wasn't any out this weekend. I've just been super duper busy. I mean, I kind of, went out partying. Went out partying. Had a 21st on Saturday night. But yeah, I'm gonna do a video tonight on GitWeb. Mostly gonna do a video on this whole website system for the main channel. Like, cool. I'm gonna make some cool websites. Cray, how hard would it to be create messaging websites? Very difficult because it's not possible. Impossible. We need to add like a button here to like go to like a link. You know what I thought was actually like a really cool idea? Like, it might, like, it's kind of possible to go to real websites. Because what could be done is like, again, it really depends on the page though. But awesome game. I was asking because someone keeps spamming Facebook related website. Oh. Make it so you can use Endermail on GitWeb. Yeah. I might like add in like buttons like sharing, which would be cool. Because that would be cool. Like, imagine in GitWeb, right? You could say share and it would open up like Endermail and you'd be able to send that link to somebody. Be like, yo dude, check out this site, alright? Check out this site. It's flippin' dank. Is it copyrighted content? Oh. Alright, and that's... shouldn't be like that. It contains obscene material or copyrighted content. Cray, could I be in a single player world and still email on Endermail? Yes, but not to other players. It works on server basis. Server by server basis. It's not like a global... But it will work in single player, just to yourself. Because if I was to do like an actual legit email thing, it would actually be an actual legit email client, and I don't want to do that. Why Endermail is useless? Because you can just message in chat. Not necessarily. Private messages. You can send files over Endermail. You can send attachments over Endermail of files. You can send somebody a picture. Soon you'll be able to share content with people easily. What about SQL support for Endermail? Yeah, we said that. We might. Send messages for offline players. Yeah, that's true as well. Send messages for offline players. Most servers have a message plugin though. Well, that's like bucket servers. I mean, again, send messages to offline players. They have a record of it. You can send files. Why play games when you can go outside? This is kind of the argument you guys are making. Why watch soccer when you can play soccer? Why play video games when there's board games? Why have the internet when you can go to a shop and buy the stuff instead? I'm so woke. I'm so woke. You guys aren't woke. I'm woke. It's 2018. That's basically your guys' argument. Why have Endermail when there's message plugins? Because you don't get an awesome application that can send files over the computer, can send pictures to people. Because Endermail is better than messaging plugins. Alright, there you go. Endermail better than messaging plugins. Got him. Apart. Report website. Added base template. Add template for sure. Yes, will. Sub me, please. Who pays for internet when you can just sit in the coffee shop's parking lot and use theirs? Because it's slow. I don't know why we have different websites. It should be like sub websites. Welcome. We should really just have sub websites, like report. Index. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We can't have that name. We might have to like call it like website listings or something like that. What's like a index synonym? Index synonym. Ah! Listings. Didn't know that was possible. Make social media indexes. I can call it like websites. When we do go-kart race, probably next weekend now, just because I missed out on this weekend. Cray meant to say what websites have you made so far? Not many. We'll say moved into your subfolder instead of a new website. Oops. Let's say added report website. Alright. Then we should be able to go like welcome. We're gonna have to fix up some things. Welcome to the official. We have to fix up a bunch of this stuff now. So let's welcome. This will be websites. Websites. Report. Nah, this is one problem, but alright, there we go. Oopsie, nope. Didn't update. Takes like a minute or something for it to actually update. Don't wow me, he's been asking for that for the past hour or so. What? I'm not going to be doing anything dimensions wise because I've never worked with dimensions. I'd rather only teach stuff that I know. I don't want to create a tutorial that I don't even know anything about. I just woke up. Dude, he's woke. He woke up, so he's woke. Cray, you gonna start the modding tutorial series again for 1.12.2? I don't know yet. Hold up, we might have like a... How'd that crash? Let's see. Concurrent modification? Get out of here. Ain't nobody got concurrent modification. Yeet it right now. Yeet! Look at this. Pringles. Yeet! Yeet! I'm sub to you. That's what's up. Still didn't update. Did I push it? Man. Let's go. Welcome dot official dot report. There we go. Home report. No! Why does it do that? It's because the raw doesn't update apparently. Yeah, the raw doesn't update like straight away. It might be a caching issue though. Alright. That's good. I think that's going to be the end of this live stream today though, my dudes. So, we got some stuff done. Obviously still trying to figure the rest out, but it will get there. Will GIF images work with the image module? No. I might add support in the future though. Because it'd be cool to have GIF support. You're not allowed to stop streaming. You can do whatever I want. If you guys have enjoyed this live stream today, make sure you go ahead and snap that like button. If you haven't already, become a sponsor on this channel. Get access to exclusive emojis, sponsor-only Minecraft server, and more. Yeah, pretty fancy if you ask me. But I'm going to go ahead and do Twitter shoutouts. 18 notifications. Oh yeah, I was going to talk about something today. I didn't really talk about it. Maybe I'll talk about it tomorrow instead. Alright, let's do some shout-outs right now to you guys. Oopsie. It says device mod development. Whoops. We got a shout out to Mark Dawson, Gaming Anime, Nashun Angels, Envying Golem 47, Master Chief, Little Colby, Abby, Haunted Corpse, Matthew, Builderboy 426, J Splat, TGV, Austin TV, Fabi50, Think Lab Minions, and Zep. Thank you guys for the retweets there over on Twitter. Appreciate you guys quite a lot. You're Mark Dawson. Thanks. That's what's up, dude. Thanks for retweeting over on Twitter. And if you are one of those people, you know who you are. You know who you are. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this live stream today. I don't know. Maybe we won't work on GitWeb. We won't work on GitWeb tomorrow, but we'll work on something else. What do you guys want to see tomorrow? We could work on more device mod development, like actually like the App Store. We could work on redesigning like the actual taskbar. We could work on redesigning applications such as like Pixel Painter. We could work on a color picker component. We could work on a bunch of things. Server fun. Accept PRs. And accept PRs live stream. One of those. We could add a new vehicle. Engine for vehicle. That's one thing we have to do. Should we do that or Wednesday? For Wednesday, because Wednesday is always vehicle mod live stream, guys. Wednesday is always the vehicle mod live stream. It is Wednesday, my dudes. So we always do vehicle mod live streams. So if we do that, should we add a new vehicle or should we add in like actual engines finally into the vehicle mod that also have different properties about them? So like an engine, you could have like a basic engine, the racing engine, the basic engine, the standard engine, street engine, and the racing engine, and they'll basically give increased properties to the vehicles, so faster vehicles, but obviously cost more to make in the end. That cost more to make, but it'd be cool to add that in, and we could add other stuff in as well, like support for miniguns on the ATV. All right. But that's going to end on this live stream. Thanks for coming along, my dudes. I will catch all of you guys later. Thank you for coming along. Said that twice. But I'll see you guys later. Tomorrow. I'll be there. I want to try and make this a 5-day stream week. A 5-day stream week. So I want to stream every single day this week because I haven't done it in a while. And I want to do it. So thank you guys for coming along. I'll catch you later. Peace out, my dudes.